In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blade on this Craftsman circular saw. First thing you need to do is make sure you don't have the battery in here, so remove this. I've already got mine out here. Get the tool that comes with this circular saw. Get an Allen key on this side, and you do have a flathead screwdriver on the other side. And to undo this nut, you do need to hold down this button here. That's going to lock the blade in place so you can undo it. So hold that down. You might need to push this down and then turn the blade around until it locks into place, like that. You secure. If you find that the nut is too tight, get yourself a wrench, and you can use that for leverage or a piece of pipe. Turn this clockwise, so in the direction that the blade spins. Pull off the screw. You can release the button on the back here. Pull out the guard. Pull off this washer. Now your blade is free to be removed. This can be a little bit fiddly to get the blade out, but pull the guard all the way up and you can slot the blade out like this. Insert the blade, pull back the cover, and over here you're going to pull this side up a little bit, and that's going to allow the blade to slot in. So take the blade, slot it in over the center piece, watch your finger, and then make sure that you get the blade underneath over here, and then that will slot in place. Get your washer, slot that back on, get your bolt, and you can tighten this back up. This is going to tighten in the opposite way that the blade spins. This blade spins up, so this is spinning clockwise. This is a left-handed thread, so this tightens anti-clockwise. Use the button on the back to lock the blade in place. Turn it around until it locks, and tighten this up. And that's how to replace the blade on this Craftsman circular saw.